In 1588, England came closer to disappearing than most people realize. Not to civil war, not to rebellion, but to a full-scale foreign invasion. Over 120 Spanish warships sailed toward England with one mission: remove Queen Elizabeth, restore Catholic rule, and bring the country under Spanish control. And here is the real question. If the landing had succeeded, would England even exist the way we know it today? The plan was simple on paper. The fleet known as the Spanish Armada would sail through the Channel. Then it would escort a professional invasion army from the Netherlands. 30,000 battle-hardened soldiers. If they reached English soil, England's smaller army would struggle to stop them. So what went wrong? Context that makes it personal. This wasn't just a military fight. It was political, religious, strategic. Elizabeth I ruled a Protestant England. Philip I of Spain ruled the most powerful Catholic empire in the world. Spain controlled vast American silver wealth. It had Europe's strongest army. England had a smaller treasury and no room for error. If Spain crushed England, it would dominate the English Channel and possibly end Protestant resistance in Europe. Shift the energy. But England didn't wait passively. English ships were smaller, faster, built for long-range cannon fire. Instead of boarding Spanish ships, they attacked from distance again and again. Then came the turning point. Fireships. England sent burning vessels drifting into the tightly packed Spanish fleet at night. Spanish captains panicked. They cut anchor lines. Formation collapsed. And without formation, the invasion plan started falling apart. Raise the stakes again. The English Navy didn't completely destroy the Armada in battle. Something else finished it. The decisive moment. After losing control of the Channel, the Spanish fleet had to sail north around Scotland and Ireland to return home. Storms hit damaged ships. Supplies ran low. Navigation failed. Dozens of ships wrecked. Thousands died. Not because Spain was weak, but because the invasion depended on perfect timing and coordination. And once that link broke, the entire plan collapsed. England survived. Barely. Curiosity Bridge. If even a few Spanish ships had secured the Channel for just 2 days, history might look completely different. Would England have become a Spanish-controlled kingdom? Would the British Empire ever rise? History often turns on narrow margins. If you want more real stories where one decision almost changed the world, subscribe and stay with me. Because sometimes, survival is the most important victory of all. Subscribe my channel. Past Whispers, like and share.